Pahinomdom igsoon sa mga hilig ng Coke diha, labi na sa mga Christians or sa mga nagatuo kang Jesus. Tanawa ni.
So at the Coke store, you can personalize a message. You can put Allah loves you, or you could even put, let me see, let's just try it out. Buddha loves you. But you cannot even type in the word Jesus. We cannot allow this text on the can. Everything else is good though. Even if I put, let's see, Satan.
Oh no, bro.
Hold on. Satan loves you. You could put that. You could put Satan loves you, Allah loves you, Buddha loves you. But when you type in this word, you can't even type the word in. That's crazy. That's ridiculous.
Kana siya na video mga igsoon, makita ninyo nga nag-personalize sila og kanang Coke na can. So pwede nimo i-type anything, pangalan nimo or unsa manggaling. Pagawa sa can naay mo to nga na label kung unsa tong imong gi-type. Karon kung i-type nimo ang Jesus, mo error gyud siya, no? So nagpamatuod nga kana na company or kana siya na product, wala siya nag-support sa name of Jesus. So kung ikaw nagatuo kang Jesus or ikaw Kristohanon, what do you think? Mainom pa ba ka og Coke or mupalit pa ba ka ani nga product? Please comment down below. God bless, may igsoon. Pahinomdom lang.